Well, good morning. You know what I have today? Silver nugget. It's heavy. I think it's going to be loaded with silver, and I want to cut it open and see what's inside. Let's get to it. So with the pinpointer, that nugget is just solid. So on the Fisher F75, 3739, and if I get too close, it actually overwhelms the detector, which is a really nice sign. Here's the nugget. Interesting looking bugger, eh? Very dark. I think some might say it's main vein silver. Now, according to the scale, that's 1¼ pounds. And what I'd like to do, I think, is slice it lengthwise. Because it's so rough, I'll just do one cut. So I had a couple of rocks that broke off. So little nuggets. Anticipation. There's one. There's the other. Let's look at that. Okay, so there's the rock. You can see the marks from the saw, but that can be polished out. And there's the other one. Very cool.